Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a really weird one, also a really disturbing one, depending on who you are. You might not like this video, but I was recently telling you guys that I really wanted to try new things on my channel, and this was actually requested by a couple of you. I remember one girl specifically, but I know it was requested more than once, but one of you guys told me that you wanted me to look at my face, look at my makeup underneath a super zoomed in microscope. Okay, so I bought this USB microscope on Amazon and it's 1000 times zoom. Like that's how much it's zooming into your face. Times 1000. You just download an app to your phone and then it's like a little camera and you can see all the crazy things. So I'm just gonna do a screen recording because I don't know how I would do this. I don't know how people on YouTube do this. By the way, I don't know who started this. It was just requested by one of you online and then I searched on YouTube and I saw a bunch of videos pop up, but I don't know who started it, so let me know and then I'll like link them down below. But I'm just gonna do a screen record on my phone and then just pop the screen record on the screen right here. Let me scoot over so that I can do that because I don't know how to edit or do anything cool. So I don't even know. So like, okay, I'll pop in the little screen record here so you guys can see what's going on. And this video is perfect timing since my makeup is super expired right now. I did my makeup like 28 hours ago and then I just remembered that I had to film this video. So my makeup is super expired and I look crazy, but that's okay. But I want to show you guys my skin underneath this microscope with makeup on, and then I want to show you this. I bought these Biore pore strips for my nose. It's gonna be disgusting, so maybe you might want to click out of this video during that part. But I want to see like what my nose looks like when I'm pulling off a pore strip. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. My skin looks like it's 1000 years old. Let me try to zoom in. Okay, I think that's a pretty good focus. There's a bunch of glitter on my face. You can see it. And all that hair, huh? I feel like my skin looks so old because I'm wearing powder foundation. I'm gonna go over my highlight. Interesting. That looks so cool. Look at these holes on my face though. Oh my god. What was that? My skin looks like it's 1000. I can't get over it. It looks so sparkly on my cheekbone. Oh, this is the area around my mouth, so you're gonna see the black hairs here. Oh, look. Look guys, that's my mustache growing. That really is my mustache growing. Oh my god, look at that super long one. Oh my Jesus. Ew, this is the side of my mouth and it looks like a butthole. Oh my god. Oh, I'm out of here, okay. Ooh, let me see my eyeshadow. Oh, hold on, that was weird. Okay, this is my mascara. Okay, look at this, how crazy this looks. Ew. Oh my god, that looks disgusting. I'm gonna try to do the side of my eyeball. Ew, it just looks like I have a bunch of gunk sitting in my eye. Look at that puddle of black water. Oh my god. Can I see anything? I feel like this would be so much easier if I had a stabilizer. Let me see if the box came with one. Oh my gosh. You see every little vein so perfectly. Okay. I don't know, I just wanted to look at my eye there for a second. Oh, let's look at the eyebrows. Hello. Oh my god. Wow, that looks like there's just a bunch of gunk all over them. That is crazy. Hairs look so oh my god. That is insane. I don't know, that is insane. Oh my god, would up my nose be too crazy? Yep. Yeah, oh my god. No, too crazy. So now that we've looked at my face through that, I'm actually gonna take off all my makeup and then I'm gonna take another look at my face without any makeup on it. Hopefully I look less old. And then I'm gonna put that Biore strip on my face, on my nose, and then we will see. Okay, so I took off my makeup, más o menos. You know, I know I still have a bunch of makeup on my face, but whatever. I'm gonna open this Biore pores thingy. I hope this video is interesting at least. I have a feeling this is a hot mess express, but I get comments all the time like, oh my gosh, Kathleen, I can watch you stare at a wall for 20 minutes and I'll still watch your video, so. This is for all of you people who lie and tell me those things. I haven't put on one of these in what feels like a million years. How do I do this? Remove strip from pouch. Twist strip to loosen and separate slits prior to use. Twist strip. Like this. After washing your face thoroughly, wet your nose. The strip won't stick to a dry nose. Okay. I didn't wash my face. With dry hands, peel strip off plastic. This is like the first time I put on a Biore strip. It feels that way. I just want to make sure I'm doing it right. Okay. Oh my god, I feel like I didn't put enough water on my nose. I feel like by the time I was reading again, my nose was dry. Let dry. Oh, it is dry. Let me do another one. Now that I know what I'm doing, it's gonna be faster. Okay. Now that's a what mother effing knows. Okay, and then it says to just leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes until stiff to the touch, like paper mache. So I will be back in 15 minutes. Okay, so it turns out this was dead, had no battery. So I just put it to charge for 10 minutes and this has been on my nose longer than it's supposed to. And I just realized that I should have done this with the black Bior strips so that you can see better, but it's just gonna have to do. Okay, I'm gonna start peeling it off here. Ah! I hate these things. I'm very sensitive. Oh! Oh my gosh. I want you guys to take a look at this. What the heck is that? So, it died again. So I'm just charging it and I'm eating some snacks while I'm waiting for it to charge. So BRB. Like I was saying, look how disgusting this looks so up close and personal. That took a piece of my hair right there. It's just so crazy. Anyway, that is pretty much the only interesting thing that came out of my nose. And then on this side, pretty much the same thing. But I've actually been wanting to see what my smile lines look like. This is the bad one on this side. Oh, I see it. Oh my gosh, you see it? See that line? Oh my God, I see it so clearly. It's so depressing. I wonder what causes that besides aging. I really don't know what else to look at. Okay, this app doesn't work anymore. I have been trying to get it to work for the last 30 minutes and it's just not happening. This was a waste of $40. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was about nothing and you saw maybe like 2 seconds worth of footage and I've been here for like 4 hours. So anyway guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know you didn't, but quantity over quality, am I right? That completes this video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. When I think about what in the shit? You know what? No, I'm not. Oh my God, I saw like weird holes in there. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not, but let me just check again. Excuse me, sir? No, I don't think so. I think it died. I think this shiz died. This video is pointless.